felt like you're pouring your heart into your content only to watch them sit there collecting digital dust, you're not alone. Promoting your content can feel like a difficult task, but today I'm here to show you how to promote your videos naturally without feeling spammy or desperate. Let's dive into some organic strategies that will help your videos reach the right audience and keep your channel thriving. 1. Leverage social media. First up, let's talk about social media. If you're not using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook to promote your videos, you're missing out on a gold mine of potential viewers. Share sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, or even bloopers from your video to pique interest and direct traffic back to your channel. But remember, the key is to be authentic. Don't just post a link and call it a day. Engage with your followers, share your thoughts, and build a community. For instance, create engaging stories on Instagram where you ask your audience questions related to your video. This does not only drive engagement, but it also lets your followers know about your latest updates. If you share a short clip of your video on TikTok, you might notice a significant boost in your account. Create content that is relatable and shareable, which can naturally draw people back to your channel. 2. Engage with your community. Let's discuss the importance of engaging with your community. Building genuine connection with your viewers can lead to organic promotion. Respond to comments on your videos, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with your audience interest. When your viewers feel appreciated and connected, they are more likely to share your content with other viewers. This word of mouth promotion is incredibly powerful. Think of your videos as your best marketing team. If you respond to a comment asking for more content on a particular topic, it can lead to a whole new series. Not only will it boost your engagement, but those viewers will be excited to share the content they requested. 3. Collaborate with other creators. Collaboration is another fantastic way to promote your videos naturally. Partnering with other creators in your niche can expose you to new audience. What you're going to do is you're going to find creators who align with your content style and propose a collaboration that could benefit both of you. Whether it's a guest appearance, a joint video, or even a shout out, working together can create a win-win situation. Just make sure that the collaboration feels authentic and provides value to both audiences. For instance, if you collaborate with another creator, you will both gain new subscribers and new viewers. You will share each other's audiences, and it will be a fantastic way to organically grow while providing your viewers with fresh content. 4. Use SEO strategies. Let's talk about SEO, search engine optimization. To promote your videos naturally, you need to ensure that they are easily discoverable. Start by using relevant keywords in your title, your description, and tags. Think about what your target audience is searching for and tailor your content accordingly. Also, create engaging thumbnails that entice viewers to click. A well-optimized video can show up in search results, and you will be surprised how much organic traffic that can really generate. Experiment with different titles and descriptions for your videos, and after optimizing them for SEO, you will notice a significant increase in views from search results. It's all about making your content discoverable. 5. Utilize email newsletters. Another effective way to promote your video is through email newsletters. If you have a mailing list, use it. Share your latest videos with your subscribers. Provide value in your email and give them a reason to check out your latest content. Craft your emails to be personal and engaging. You can even offer exclusive content or insights that are related to your video. This does not only drive traffic, but also strengthens your relationship with your subscribers. Start sending out weekly newsletters highlighting your latest video and offer exclusive tips related to your content. This will not only increase your views, but will encourage your subscribers to engage with your videos more actively. Then There you have it. Promoting your videos naturally doesn't have to feel forced or spammy. Leverage social media, engage with your community, collaborate with other creators, optimize for SEO, and utilize email newsletters to drive organic traffic to your channel. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content creation strategies, and share this with your fellow creators. Drop a comment below about your favorite way to promote your videos naturally. Until next time, remember, authentic engagement is key to growing your channel. Keep creating, and I will see you in the next video.